Okay, this tutorial I'll be going through with you a very good function called AND. And first of all, let me go through with you the data I have. So these are the students, right, in the class. And this is the first semester results, their results, second semester results, third semester results, fourth semester results. So I want to know if they have passed or failed after 4 semesters. Secondly, I'll just point out that the passing number for first semester is 13, second semester is 22, third is 30, and fourth is 16. Now let's start. I will just start the formula with equals and write down if, okay, and I will write down, I'll open the brackets, okay, and type in another formula called and now let me start with the first student. I'll click on it and say this result of first semester is bigger than or equals to the passing number, comma, the second result of the second semester is bigger than or equals to the passing number, comma, third semester result is greater than or equals to the passing number, comma, fourth semester is greater than or equals to the passing number. Okay, now I will just close the brackets. Okay, now you can see, you can be confused by which bracket I need to close and this and that. You can just see that by the color. So there is a purple bracket and purple bracket is closed, right? Now I will just close one more bracket, which is the red bracket, right? So now there's only one more bracket left to be closed, which is the black bracket. But before I do that, I will say comma and I will type in make an apostrophe, say pass and comma or fail apostrophe. Now close the final black bracket that was formed here, and then I'll click enter, and it tells me that this student has failed according to the numbers, passing numbers, because you can see that in the first semester they scored 3, but the passing number was 13. Second semester they got more than passing number, third more than passing number, fourth semester they got less than passing number. So in 2 semesters they failed. So overall they failed because I wanted them each student to pass in all semesters. Okay, so that's failure. Now I can also bring this down and drag this down, but when I'll drag this down the formula will change. So to prevent the formula changing, I'll just go back here and I'll show you a trick. Now I'll just show you that I will make these numbers into dollar signs. I'll make them absolute so they don't change when I drag the formula down. So I'll just go here and this one L3, which is this one, I will just press F4 on my keyboard. Okay, so now this won't change when I drag this down. Then I'll go to M3, which is this one. I will make a dollar symbol. Okay, I'll go to N3, which is this one, 30, dollar symbol, F4. I'm just pressing F4 all the time. And this one, F4, once more, and enter. Now, when I drag this down, okay, I'll just drag this down. So I'll get the results. Now I can see, because it's dollar symbol, so these won't change when I drag this down. So I can see that 5 students have failed and only 2 have passed. So that's very easy. So please, before you drag down, remember to make it absolute, the dollar symbol, by using F4 on your keyboard. And so as a result, these figures won't change when you drag down the passing numbers. And also make sure that you close the brackets, so you know, and also you put the pass and fail in the apostrophe, so that's very important. And That's all. Please let me know if you have any questions for me or if you're stuck somewhere. Please let me know as well. Thank you.